Introducing books to your baby is an exciting milestone that can nurture a lifelong love for reading. As a new parent, you might wonder when and how to start this journey. Here are some essential tips to guide you. It's never too early to introduce books to your baby. Even newborns can benefit from the sound of your voice and the rhythm of language. Start by reading simple, colorful board books with high contrast images. These are perfect for capturing your baby's attention. As your baby grows, incorporate books into your daily routine. Bedtime is a popular choice, but any quiet moment can be an opportunity to share a story. The key is consistency, making reading a cherished part of your day. Choose books with engaging textures and sounds. Babies love to explore with their senses, so books with flaps, mirrors, and different textures can make reading a multi-sensory experience. This not only entertains, but also aids in sensory development. Don't worry about reading every word on the page. Focus on the interaction. Point to pictures, make sounds, and encourage your baby to touch and feel the pages. This interactive approach helps build language skills and keeps your baby engaged. As your baby becomes a toddler, introduce books with simple stories and repetitive text. These help develop memory and comprehension skills. Encourage your child to turn the pages and even read along with you. Remember, the goal is to make reading a fun and enjoyable experience. Every child is unique, so find what works best for you and your baby. Whether it's a few minutes a day or a longer story session, the time spent reading together is invaluable. Starting early sets the foundation for a lifelong love of books. Enjoy this special time with your baby, and watch as their curiosity and imagination grow with each story.